If you are a TikTok content creator and you're looking for a light that's small and battery operated so that you can bring it anywhere you go and at the same time affordable, then this light might be for you. It's the Weeylite S05 Pocket RGB light. Baka magusto mo tong RGB light na to. Baka na naman. Alright, I'm not gonna go in-depth on the specs of this light, but rather I'm gonna give you the features that I think will work best for you if you are a TikTok content creator or for any other platforms for that matter. So first on the list, it can serve as your main light or as what the professionals call key light. As we know, most TikTokers use ring lights as their main light, and there's nothing wrong with that. But there are a couple of disadvantages when using ring lights. Number one, it occupies space because you would need a light stand for it. And number two, it is powered by electricity, so you cannot really use it anywhere if there is no electricity in that area. Whereas for the Weeylite S05, although you can mount it on a light stand or a tripod if you want to, even without it, you can already use the light because it can already stand on its own with its form factor. And in terms of being able to use it anywhere you go, this light is battery operated, which could last up to 3 hours at 50% intensity. So that gives you a pretty decent battery life for a small piece of light.
Money don't trickle, trickle, it pulls. I like to see you wiggle, wiggle, for sure. And if you wanna dribble, dribble, you know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet.
Another thing that TikTokers would love about this light is its RGB color feature. If you are a fan of RGB, then you would love this light because it can give you all RGB colors possible to spice up your TikTok videos. And if you're into role-playing videos on TikTok, then you would love this light because it has a bunch of special effects that can help spice up your acting videos. And not only that, apart from the display and control panel on the light itself, you can adjust and control this light through the Weeylite Pro app. So if you place the light far from you and you want to adjust the light, you can already do that using the Weeylite Pro app without even standing up and doing it physically on the light. So those are the top features of the Weeylite S05 that I wanted to share with you. If you want to purchase the light, you can do so by clicking the link in the description box and use the code duekneel10 upon checkout to enjoy a 10% discount. And I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks to viltrox Weeylite for sending the Weeylite S05 and for continuing to trust this channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share the video, subscribe if you haven't yet. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.